I can't stop eating these Texas sheet cake cookies. They're like a cross between brownies and tea cakes. They have a soft, melt in your mouth texture, and the icing is the same fudge icing used on a Texas sheet cake. If you love chocolatey desserts, these will be right up your alley, and they are so easy to make. First, melt a half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I did this in the microwave in 20-second increments set aside. Mix your dry ingredients, 1 1/3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a half teaspoon salt. Whisk and set aside. To a large bowl, add 1 stick of softened butter. Add a 1/3 cup of white sugar and cream till fluffy. Add 1 egg and mix to incorporate. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Now sift in the dry ingredients and mix till almost combined. Then mix in the melted chocolate. Chill the dough while the oven preheats to 350. Place tablespoon-sized balls of cookie dough on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 7 to 8 minutes. Do not overbake. Cool 10 minutes. Make the icing by melting together 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of whole milk, and a stick of butter. Once everything is melted, then add in 2 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. I recommend sifting. Mix. Then spoon or pour the icing on top of the cookies. Let the icing set. Then serve. Enjoy.